Welcome back to Kelly Noir. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Join the family. Today we're talking about Black inventor Leonard Bailey. Leonard Bailey was an African American inventor and businessman in Washington, D.C. in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Bailey was born in 1825 to an impoverished free black family. Bailey rose to status by becoming a journeyman barber. Bailey was an entrepreneur. He owned and operated many barbershop businesses in the District of Columbia by the time of the Civil War. Besides his achievements as a businessman and a community mentor, Bailey is additionally celebrated for his creative inventions. In 1883, Bailey patented one of his most significant devices, a truss and bondage intended to support patients with lower and body hernias. The structure was later embraced by the U.S. Armed Forces Medical Board, which in turn gave subsidies to Bailey business adventures and future innovations. He followed up his first success and was granted patent US 629-286A on July 5, 1899. Bailey highlighted that his design was intended for hospital use on account of its hygienic properties and the facility with which it can be kept clean and rendered antiseptic. Bailey also invented a gadget for moving railroad trains and a speed stamper for the mail, the last being utilized most by the U.S. Postal Service. Amazing. So he invented the mail stamper. On July 18th, 1899, Bailey patented a collapsing bed for simple stockpiling. Again, the U.S. Army respected the advancement and the creation as one of Bailey's claims to fame today. Bailey was also known for serving the first mixed-race jury in 1869 for the infamous Millie Gaines trial. The defender Gaines, a black woman, had killed her white lover and was acquitted on the grounds of temporary insanity. The trial was overseen by the Capitol's first integrated jury, consisting of 6 black men and 6 white men. By the 1800s, Bailey was an established leader of Washington's black business community. Bailey desired to help his community that led him to founding the Capital Savings Bank in October 17, 1888. Not 19. Bailey and other 7 black businessmen created the bank to provide more affordable loans and insurance for poor households in the District of Columbia. Aside from working on the medical devices, the foldable bed, and other designs, Bailey also secured a director position at the Manassas Industrial School for Colored Youth in Virginia. After establishing a black bank called Capital Savings Banking in 1888, which was a pillar of African American banking until it closed down in 1902, Bailey served as the bank's president. Leonard C. Bailey died on September 1st, 1918, and he was in his 90s. He lived a long time, so hats off to Black inventor Leonard Bailey.